Welcome to Module 5.12, Integration at the Analysis and Interpretation Level. In this session, we'll explore how mixed methods researchers bring their datasets together during the most critical phases, analysis and interpretation. These final steps are where integrated insights emerge and where the true value of mixing methods becomes clear. Mixed methods analysis can be approached in several ways. One common method is data transformation, either quantitizing qualitative themes into numerical codes or qualitizing numeric findings into narrative explanations. You can also create typologies that classify cases or responses across both data types. Case-oriented analysis involves integrating both data strands within individual participants or units. Another approach is following a thread, tracing a concept or theme across both datasets to see how it appears and shifts. In crossover analysis, one dataset actively shapes the coding or interpretation of the other, deepening the interconnection between methods. Data transformation allows researchers to move between qualitative and quantitative formats. Quantitizing might involve assigning codes or counts to qualitative themes to analyze statistically. Conversely, qualitizing involves turning quantitative results into narrative descriptions or interpretive categories. You might also create integrated variables that combine both strands, for instance, combining a numerical health score with a coded theme on care satisfaction. Matrices help visually display where variables or themes align, diverge, or intersect. These displays can also inform profiles or typologies that represent different patterns of response or experience. At the interpretation level, integration comes through synthesizing findings into a cohesive narrative. One method is narrative weaving, where quantitative and qualitative results are interlaced throughout the discussion. Joint display analysis helps visualize convergence or divergence across strands. A key goal is the development of meta-inferences, overarching conclusions that arise from integrating both data types. When findings diverge, interpretation must address and explain the discrepancies rather than avoid them. Finally, theoretical integration involves framing the findings within a broader model or framework, enhancing explanatory power and relevance for practice or policy.